What if the greatest treasure isn't buried gold, but the undiscovered power pulsating within you? Many wander through life, sailing without a compass, just hoping for a distant shore, adrift in the vast ocean of potential. We've all felt that hollow ache, that is this all there is? Moment when the path isn't clear and doubt whispers loudly. But true resilience isn't just bouncing back. It's finding your North Star, your inherent why, that pulls you forward through any storm. Are you just drifting, or are you charting a course, living with a purpose that truly ignites your soul from deep within? Even the smallest seed knows its purpose is to become a mighty tree. What's your magnificent, unique destiny waiting to sprout? Don't wait for permission or a perfect map. Your purpose is a whisper that becomes a roar if you truly listen and jack-tee on it. Take one brave step today, no matter how small, towards what truly makes you feel alive, significant, and fully aligned. Because when you uncover your purpose, you don't just light up your own world. You become a beacon, inspiring and guiding others. Stop existing. Start whining. Your purpose awaits. Go find it.